Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use time efficiently. To begin, always identify your most important tasks first. Consider using a system like the Eisenhower matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance, helping you decide what to tackle immediately. Breaking down large projects into smaller, more manageable steps also makes them less daunting and easier to start. Finally, actively work to eliminate common distractions. Effective planning is crucial for maximizing your day. Start by creating a detailed daily or weekly schedule, allocating specific time blocks for different activities. This helps you visualize your commitments and avoid overbooking. Furthermore, identify your peak productivity hours and schedule your most demanding tasks during these times. For quick tasks, if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately to prevent accumulation. Distractions are major time wasters, so minimizing them is key. Begin by turning off all unnecessary notifications on your phone and computer to avoid constant interruptions. Instead of checking emails sporadically, dedicate 1 or 2 specific blocks of time each day for this task. Consider employing focus techniques, such as the Pomodoro technique, which involves 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break to boost concentration. To continuously improve, regularly review your progress and adjust your time management strategies. Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved, then refine your schedule accordingly. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks throughout your day. Even a 5-minute pause can significantly prevent burnout and maintain your energy levels. Finally, don't hesitate to delegate tasks when appropriate, freeing up your valuable time for higher priority items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.